Hello friends! In today's video, I would like to share with you something interesting about the root system of tomato plants. And especially, I will show you how to grow tomato plants so that they grow healthy and yield high yields. What you are seeing on this screen is a unique approach that I want to introduce to you. Let's start now. First, we need to create natural fertilizer for it. And this is a tomato. I use it to provide nutrition for tomato plants. You find it strange, right? I will explain this a little later. And this is what I use to provide calcium and minerals for tomato plants. It is an eggshell. It contains a lot of calcium and minerals that are very good for plants. When using it, you will break them up like this and then fertilize them to the plant. Let's go back to the tomato. I will cut it into slices like this and then bury it in the soil. It contains a lot of vitamins and nutrients that are very good for humans and plants too. When the plant is fully nutritious, it will be healthy and disease-free. I will use this pot to grow tomatoes. Add the soil. And this is a baby tomato plant. I sowed the seeds before. I will plant it here. Before planting, I will bury these tomato slices in the soil. Now let's plant it. Next, put eggshells on top. Water it a lot. Now, please wait to see the results. After 1 week of waiting, here are the results. Tomato plants grow very well. And here's the interesting thing about the tomato plant's roots. It can grow from the stem if it is surrounded by soil. The more roots a tree has, the healthier it is. So when planting trees, you must apply this. When planting, you should not fill the pot with soil at first. As the tree grows, we will add more soil to create roots from the tree's trunk. Now I will add eggshells and soil. If you watch the video and find it interesting and useful, remember to give me a like. And please share with your friends so everyone knows this. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel to watch more great videos. This is the end of my video. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and see you again in the next video.